Have you ever came on YouTube and typed in how to generate leads on Facebook? Or have you came to Google and typed in how to generate leads on Facebook for free? I know I have, and some of the results that came up, some of those videos were good, some were mediocre, some were okay. The only problem that I actually had was all of this information was actually scattered. I could not find that one video that would deliver all the goods under one umbrella. So for me, that was a problem. So now you watching this video, the purpose of this video is to actually share a course or a platform with you that actually has everything that you need to be successful on YouTube, especially if you are looking to learn how to generate leads on Facebook. If so, you are in the right place. So shortly, I'm actually going to break down what this course is about, giving you the software, giving you the content, and everything that you need to be successful. So you won't have to watch a million videos like I did just to find everything that is needed. Make sense? All right, so keep on watching this video and we'll see you on the flip side. All right, boys and girls, the purpose of me sharing this video with you is to have you avoid the nonsense that I actually see out there in the marketing world. For example, there is a particular guru, I will not call his name, but I noticed that he has a new program out. So the deal was, once you entered your name and your email, you would receive what was called a PDF file. Actually, it was actually a card that actually shows you how to get traffic. But here's what, guys. In order for that to work, first of all, once you enter your name and your email and you receive that download, it actually talks about what that traffic stuff is all about. In order for it to work, in order for you to have access, you then have to pay a $49, or I believe it's a $47 monthly fee to access the platform. Now, in order for all the stuff to come together, even after you pay that $49 a month, you still have to purchase the traffic course that is actually going to cost you over $1,000. The point of me saying that is, these are the types of systems that you need to avoid. Reason for, they only give you 50% and then you keep having to pay over and over and over again just to get everything in a total package that actually works. Well, today you're in good hands because this is not the case. In this course, you will have all the bells and whistles. You will have everything that you need in order for this to work. And trust me, guys, this stuff works. Now, this is a one-time payment, so there will be no monthly fees. And like I just said, you will have everything that you need in order to be successful with this course. Starting with module number 1, where you will have lifetime access to a software. Now, before I even continue, this course works best for Facebook. All right, so again, this particular software enables you to go out on Facebook and generate leads, and those can be targeted leads. What do I mean? Well, there is an option in the software that if you are, for example, you are targeting SEO or you were targeting real estate, you can actually type in that particular keyword and only have people who have shown interest in either the SEO or, like I just mentioned, the real estate. So this is why this software is powerful. You can actually grow groups of lists that you can actually market to in the future, and you will have access again to this software for free. Now, you don't have to worry about the updates. As a matter of fact, just recently, Facebook just did an update. I believe it was about a week or two ago. And just the day after Facebook did their upgrade algorithm, this software was updated. So it works perfectly fine. So you don't have to worry about the updates. All of that stuff is taken for you. You will just have access to the software to use it to generate leads and to build your friends list and so forth. All right. Module number 2, you will have access to what I like to call a viral post swipe file. Now, in this swipe file, let me go ahead right over here. And actually, because I want to show you, that this stuff actually works. So if I go over here and I click on preview and I open up the module, in module number 2, as you can see, here's an example of a post that I actually use and got myself over 100 comments. Now, this example right over here says I can't give you a short fire formula for success, but I can give you a formula for failure. So here's what I did. So I went over to my Facebook profile, and this was what I did. I posted that same post that you're going to have access to, and take a look at this, guys. I got over 125 comments and over 100 people liking and commenting on my post. Now, this second example. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Now, I went again and posted that same post on my Facebook profile, and take a look at this, guys. Right over here, I have 117 comments and almost 100 people liking and loving my post. So again, I am actually showing you stuff that actually works. All right, so if we go now over to module number 3, I will actually share with you what actually works on Facebook, so you will avoid getting into Facebook jail and you will avoid getting your account banned. Now, most of you don't know that you're not supposed to post any affiliate links on your Facebook profile. There is a sneaky way, well, not really a sneaky way, because that way is permitted by Facebook, but there is a particular way that you can actually post links on your Facebook profile, and we will actually show you how to do so in module number 3. Module number 4, this is a video training on how we show you how to become an authority figure in any niche that you're in. So again, if you're doing online marketing, if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're in real estate or whatever niche that you are in, this will actually walk you through step by step on how to become an authority figure in your niche. Module number 5. Now, I don't care what you've learned in the past on how to get traffic from Facebook groups. I am almost 100% guaranteed that you have never probably seen this method before. And this is a method that I actually share with my friends and my family. But you having access to this course, I'm actually going to share only 2 modules, 2 strategies on how you can actually get leads to your links. And trust me, guys, this works. This will not get saturated anytime soon. So you should be just fine once you have access to module number 5 on learning the tactics on how to generate leads. And trust me, guys, using this method, you will actually generate anywhere from like 1 to 5 leads per day. All right. Module number 6. In module number 6, guys, there is a particular platform. And again, I had to actually sign up to this platform to see it, to believe it, because there are lots of these platforms that claim that you can get 100 likes to your post, but they are not Facebook compliant. Guess what, guys? This platform is Facebook compliant. And trust me, guys, I'm actually going to show you step by step how you can go ahead and get anywhere from 100 to 500 likes or even more engagement on your Facebook post. This is a newly released platform, and most marketers actually have no idea that they can actually get engagement on their posts. And this works if you're on Instagram, and this works in this case for Facebook. All right. In the makings, I believe that they're going to be doing this also for YouTube. But for now, if you have an Instagram profile and you have a Facebook profile, which you probably watching this video, I'm hoping that you do, then you'll be able to get a lot of engagement on your profile with this method. All right. Module number 7. Now, I'm not exactly sure if you noticed in the past that a lot of the top marketers are actually standing out even more. Why? They are using bold text in their post. Now, the reason why this is important because it makes you stand out. So how do you go ahead and get that italic bold text into your Facebook post? Well, I'm actually going to share that with you in module number 7. There's a paid method, but I'm actually going to show you the free version on how you can get that bold text to make your post stand out. All right, module number 8, how to be known on Facebook. Now, you do not really need this module, but I feel that if you have someone else's perspective on how to go ahead and structure your Facebook profile, it would not hurt you knowing this. Make sense? All right, so went ahead and actually got 4 courses, and those are, like I said, courses that will actually teach you how to structure your Facebook profile. One of the courses is from a multi-millionaire, and he positions his Facebook profile a specific way. So I just felt that most people don't know these little strategies. So I felt that it was best if I actually share this information with you in module number 8. Now, like I said, you don't really need some of those courses, but I believe that it is helpful if you know more about how to structure your Facebook profile as a form of authority figure. Make sense? All right, so module number 9, guys. Module number 9, if there's any module in this course that I actually pay attention to, is module number 9. Why? In module number 9, this is a 5-day mastermind training. Now, you will attend, or you will have access to this for free. The reason why is because there are a certain amount of affiliates who actually can promote this platform, and I am proud to say that I am one of them. So I'm actually going to give you access to this 5-day training, guys. Once you join and once you have access to this platform, you will be segmented into this private group where for 5 days, we actually train and show you how to sell, how to become an authority figure, or how to master Facebook algorithm to your liking. Now, this, in my opinion, is a hands down one of the best trainers that I've actually seen in the past 15 years that has to do with anything about Facebook. And you will have access to this, guys, for absolutely free. All right. And the last module, in module number 10, I'm actually going to show you guys when you have all those prospects using module number 1, the software we're going to give you lifetime access to. How do you give your prospects bonuses, or how do you get your prospects to stay on your page? How do you get your prospects to open up your emails? Well, you can do that, guys, with bonuses. So now in this module, module number 10, this is actually one of my secret modules that, again, I actually share with only my close Facebook friends and families. In this module, guys, I'm actually going to show you how you can go ahead and get yourself bonuses for $5 or less. And guys, trust me, this is not your regular PLR products bullcrap out there. These are actually courses. These are actually trainings. These are actually software that you can actually give to your prospect that will really help them in whatever niche that they're in. All right. So again, as you can see, there was no hype. Reason for there was no hype around this video is because, guys, this stuff works. You will have, again, all of what I just mentioned just now, all for a one-time fee of $100. All right. So again, all you have to do to have immediate access to this training right now is that you want to fill out your information on this page. And once you're done, you will then have immediate access to this training, guys. All right. So this is Al, and this is a training, again, on how to become an authority figure on Facebook, how to sell anything that you have on Facebook. All right. So we don't want to keep this video so long. We want to go ahead and fill the information out on this page and get immediate access to this platform so you can start standing out as that authority figure that you are. All right. So until then, we will see you on the flip side. Thanks.